Wireframes are low-fidelity sketches of a website or app. They don't have any colors or design, just the basic structure of the interface. This makes them quick and easy to create, and it allows designers to focus on the user experience without getting bogged down in details. Wireframes are used to communicate ideas to other people on the team, like developers and stakeholders. They can also be used to test different designs with users and get feedback. This helps to make sure that the final design is user-friendly and meet the needs of the user. Here are some examples of how wireframes can be used to solve problems for people. A website for a new restaurant might use wireframes to show how the menu will be organized, where the contact information will be displayed, and how users can order the food. An app for a grocery store might use wireframes to show how users can browse the store's inventory, add items to their carts, and check out. A website for a travel agency might use wireframes to show how users can search for flights, hotels, rental cars, and book their travel arrangements. In each of those examples, the wireframes allow the designers to focus on the user experience and make sure that the interface is easy to use and understand. This can help to improve the overall customer experience and make it more likely that people will use the product. Wireframes are a valuable tool for designers. They can help to save time and money, improve communication, and test different designs with users. So in the next video, we will introduce to prototypes and learn the difference between the prototypes and wireframes.